Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll learn about different types of operator available in JavaScript and how to use them with the help of examples. And first, before starting to types of operator, first we'll understand what is operator. So in JavaScript, an operator is a special symbol that is used to perform the operation between values and variables, or we can say operand. So let's say if I'm having 3 and 5, right? And if I'm going to add it, so I'm just using the symbol add, and this is going to give me 8 as a solution. So this plus symbol is what I'm going to call as a operator. Hope this is clear. So operator plus operator, what it did an operation, and 2 and 3 and 5 is the operand. So these two I'm going to call it as operand. So basically operators are the special symbols which we are going to use it between two operands to make the operations between them, or to make them addition, subtraction, or multiple, mod, function, percentage. Many things are there. Okay, so now once we know what is operators, let's go ahead and see what are the types of operators we have. So we are having arithmetic operation at first. Arithmetic operations are what are the types inside this arithmetic operations that we will be seeing in the later videos. First we'll see what are the operators we have. So first is arithmetic with operators. Second we have is comparison operator. When we want to compare two operands, during that time we are going to use comparison operator. Third we are having bitwise operator. Fourth, we are having logical operator. Fifth, assignment operator. And sixth, I am having special operator. So these 6 types of operators are being used in JavaScript, and we will understand what are the different ways or where these all 6 are being used. So let's understand the logic, or let's understand what is the these arithmetic operation first of all gives to us. So when we talk about arithmetic operations, first is subtraction. So when we call it subtraction, this is what I am getting as symbol as subtraction. So if I want to subtract 9 minus 5, and this will give me 4. This is what the subtraction is, direct subtraction. Then I am having addition. So when we call about addition, this is what I am going to give, addition, right? So I am going to 5 plus 3 is what my 8 is. Then I am having multiplication, division, mod function, that is just to check the mod or the reminders, and also I am having increment and decrement. If I am going to use the increment and decrement, that is going to add 1 point to the it. Like how it could be, if I am going to use the increment, so 1 plus plus, this is give me 2. If I am going to use 2 minus minus, this will give me 1. Hope it is understood. Mod function is nothing but just to check the reminders are there or not. So if I am using mod 10 mod 2, this will give me 0. Okay, then I am having division. If I am going to divide with 2, 10 divided by 2, that is give me 5. In the same way, if I am having multiplication, 5 into 2 is what I will get it as 10. This is all about arithmetic operation. Now let's go and see the comparison operator. We'll see comparison operator. So when we talk about comparison operator, we are having, first thing is equal to, like this is equal to. So if I'm having 10 is equal to 20, this is give me false. So basically this is check the equal symbol, like whether it is equal or not. In the same way, I am having triple equal to, that is nothing but identical. It will check the equal also, and also whether this both belongs to same type or not. So data type also it will be checking. Then I am having not equal to, means 10 is not equal to 20, true. I am having not identical, means neither the value is equal nor the data type is equal. Okay, so it is not identical. Greater than, so if I'm having this symbol, it is greater than symbol, so I will be using this. greater than equal to, less than equal to, then I'm having bitwise operation. In bitwise, I will be having AND, OR, XOR, NOT, left shift, right shift, bitwise right shift with 0. Okay, then I'm having logical operator. Basically, logical operators are logical AND, logical OR, logical NOT, logical NOT. And apart from this, we are having examples as well. So if I'm going to use this AND, first it will execute this and this. If this is true, then only this will give true. If this is false, then this will give false. Okay. If this is true, then it will change the value to false. Right now it is false, so that's why I'm getting true. Okay, hope you understood with the example. Now we will see assignment operator. So when we talked about assignment operator, it is equal to, right, add and assign. This will be using this equal to symbol will be used for assigning anything, right? This will be assigning it. If I'm having plus equal to symbol, then it is add and assign. In the same way, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, divide and assign, mod and assign. Same way we are having some special functions. This is ternary operator, or we can say that conditional operator, which return the based on the condition. So if I'm having a condition, let's say the condition is, if this condition is going to satisfy, I will be having my first thing, or else I will be having the second condition. Okay, so this is what my condition is. In Java, we have this as ternary operation. In JavaScript, we are having this conditional operation. I will be having a condition. If it is satisfying, I will be assigning the first value. If it is not satisfying, I will be assigning the second value. This is clear. Now, comma operator allow multiple expressions to evaluate at single statement. So we are having this comma operator. Then delete operator, delete the property of object. And in operator will check if the object is given, has the given property or not. Okay, so these are the operators we are having. In later videos, we will be using all these operators and we will be solving a lot of questions. So stay tuned with us and do subscribe to Code for Placement.